In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and organize tasks in the My Work section on Monday.com. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're on the main homepage. This is usually the first screen you see after signing in, with your workspace navigation on the left and your main boards and views in the center. From the main homepage, look for the My Work section. You'll typically find it in the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on My Work. This area is designed to give you a personal overview of everything that's assigned to you across different boards, so it's a great place to manage your day-to-day tasks. Once you're in My Work, you'll see different time-based sections, such as today, next week, and later. These sections help you group your tasks based on when you plan to work on them. To start adding a new item, click on the Add Task button. This will usually appear near one of those time sections. When you click Add Task, a small task row or input field will appear. Here you can type in the name of your task. Try to keep the title clear and specific so that when you come back later, you immediately know what needs to be done. After typing your task name, click on the highlighted area to confirm or save it. This might look like an empty space or a small check mark depending on your setup, but the idea is to make sure the task is created and visible in your list. You can repeat this process in different time sections. For example, you might add something you need to finish today under the Today section. Then click on the area under Next Week and add another task there. Do the same for the Later section if you have tasks that are important but not urgent. This simple structure helps you see at a glance what you should focus on now versus what can wait. If you need to add another task in any of these sections, just click Add Task again and confirm it the same way by clicking on the highlighted space to save it. At the top of My Work, you'll also see options for different views. Click on Calendar to see your tasks laid out over days and weeks, which is especially helpful for visual planning and spotting busy periods. If you prefer a more traditional list, click on Table to switch back to a structured, spreadsheet-style overview. You can move between Calendar and Table whenever you like, depending on how you want to review your workload.